What's up, people on YouTube? How's everybody doing? It's a beautiful Sunday. Sorry, everything's shaking. I'm with Bae right now. He's focused on the road, but he says hi. But yeah, it's the start of our vacation, and we never took a little vacation with just us two. Yeah, so
What?
well, Nicker doesn't count. Well, you know what, we used to spend time with one another in like guest houses, and like we never went to a resort. True, but like we never went out of parish with one another. So what a great experience. And first time, he knows road more than I do, so this is exciting. Yeah. Do you have anything to say?
I never hit the script.
Huh?
And you saw the lights, sorry.
Oh. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to show you guys our room where we're going to be staying. I got an Airbnb. It was really affordable. It's really nice in the pictures. The reviews now, I'm not going to look at the reviews of the building. You spilled on yourself? Yeah, anyway. Should be fun. We are going all the way to St. Anne, OG. And then I'm contemplating if I should contact my other side of family. Contemplating. But that would mean we would go to St. Mary literally just for a day. Like, we're going there for a few hours. And then Kingston to see his family. I haven't been to Kingston since I was a little girl, so that would be very interesting to see if I would remember. And then I know the airport. Okay. Interesting. What, this is gonna be an experience. I have my personal tour guide right here. Love it. Jesus Christ, people. This man have me in a gunman area. Hey, they scared, you know? So we're in Flankas. Nice. I'm scared. Yeah, I actually feel like a tourist right now.
Yeah.
This is Jewel Grand. From the outside, it's beautiful. I can only imagine what the inside looks like. I don't know what the fuck those are, but for a long time, I actually never felt like a tourist. So I feel nice. Dirty Hanover. I'm sorry. Fucking Hanover. Watch people. People watch me. Rose Hall. Wait, what? Where's Rose Hall? Yeah. Oh, maybe it's over there and I can't see. Oh, damn. Little big. Convention center is over there. This is amazing. I have a lot of editing to do. Guys, this is Rose Hall Great House.
See it?
Where?
See the house. Wait, so I went up there once on a trip. That's fucking place crazy.
Behind those trees is the house, guys.
See it?
Yeah, I see it now. See it, guys? Wow, that's amazing.
Where's the last place?
Cinnamon Hill. Ooh, this is so... If I ever get pregnant, I'm doing my maternity shoot out here. I don't care. I'm flying out when I'm pregnant.
Which is Corners?
Huh? No, not there. No, God no. Like somewhere nice. Little River. Kind of remind you of Lucy. You know when you're entering into Lucy from Mobile? Yes, guys, whoa. We are here.
Okay. So that's a wide Dutch ramping.
Okay, so this is the bathroom. Walk-in shower. Ooh, look at the sink, nice. Yes, man, it's cute. Fridge, stove, bed. All nicely done up. I guess this is private. Yes, and nice. Okay, so we are eating our food now. We just got 2 box food. You can't take the country out of the way. We have to get box food.
Where is remote though?
Sanitize the remote first, babe.
Yes, put that shit. Now put on the remote. Rascal, I see 5 remote over here. Everything is remote. And the microwave is remote too.
Sanitize the remote then.
Yo me quedé la curioso. What? He left me hanging.